Block 1 unstaked almost 10 million EOS. What's going on, guys? Rob here. This morning at 11:43 a.m. Block 1 has unstaked 9,800,000 EOS from CPU. What does this mean? Well, Dan himself has put out a statement on Telegram. Hey all, we just unstaked our vested EOS to facilitate new internal policy and strategic initiatives. Rest assured, we have no plans to sell any EOS at this time. So no, they are not unstaking these EOS to sell them. Just looking at where we are on the calendar, by the time these EOS become liquid, that'll just be a couple of days before June 1st. So my thoughts are that this unstaking of 9,800,000 EOS has something to do with the announcement that is coming. Maybe on June 1st, we will get an announcement from Block 1 about a new project that they are launching on the EOS mainnet, and they need those EOS liquid so they can stake them to that new project. That's all speculation at this point. But all we know right now is what Dan says. They are to facilitate new internal policy and strategic initiatives. So I will be keeping my eye on this and give any updates if they do come out. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, linked in the description. But there's one thing for certain. June is coming. That's it for me, guys. I will see you in the next one. Let me know what you guys think these EOS could be used for down in the comments below.